Assalamu alaikum dear students. We were discussing the kingdom animalia. तो उसमें हमने सबसे पहले कंप्लीट किया था द फाइलम पोरिफेरा. उसके बाद हमने कंप्लीट किया था द फाइलम सिलेंड्रेटा. Now today's topic is the phylum Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. So these are commonly called as flatworms. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो platyhus, it is derived from the two Greek words. Platyhus means the flat and the helminthus means the worm. तो that's why they have been termed as flatworms. Flatworms क्यों कहते हैं इनको? Because here the body is dorso-ventrally flat. Means इनका dorsal side भी flat है और ventral side भी flat है, just like the ribbon or just like the leaf. So that is why इनको हम कहते हैं, since the body is the flat, dorsal-ventrally flat, that is why they have been termed as flatworms. So that means their body looks like a ribbon or just like a leaf. Now चलो ये है flatworms क्योंकि body है dorso-ventrally flat. Now what's a worm? Worm किसको कहेंगे आप? A worm possesses the two criteria. First of all, that the body should be cylindrical and number next is appendages should be absent. दो क्राइटेरिया है एक वर्म के, एक ट्रू वर्म के. Body should be cylindrical and number next is appendages should be absent. तो येमिस वर्मस येम्स दोनों फीचर्स आते हैं, cylindrical body and the appendage less, उसी को हम कह सकते हैं ट्रू वर्म. तो since these worms यहाँ पे body is flat, dorso-ventrally flat, ना कि cylindrical, so that is why इनको हम कह सकते हैं false worms. ये true worms नहीं है. तो these are the false worms. Since the body is flat, that is why the flat worms. Now moving towards the features. सबसे पहले habitat, ये कहाँ पे रहते हैं? So these Platyhelminthes, these are either free living forms or parasitic. और जहाँ mostly these are the parasitic. तो ज्यादातर इसके स्पीशीज है parasitic, parasites है, either in the animals, for example man, sheep, cattle, etc. But few forms यहाँ पे free living भी है, for example planaria. Now moving towards another point, cephalization. Cephalization का मतलब है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द हेड. इससे पहले जो हमने फाइलम पढ़ी थी, फाइलम पॉलीफेरा एज वेल एज द सिलेंड्रेटा, वो प्रिमिटिव थे. दे वर द डिप्लोब्लास्टिक. मगर ये ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक भी है, इनमें ऑर्गन लेवल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी है, बायलेटरल सिमेट्री भी है, ब्लैंड सैक बॉडी प्लान भी है. मींस दीज आर एडवांस्ड देन द फाइलम पॉलीफेरा एज वेल एज द सिलेंड्रेटा. So that is why यहाँ पे additional features पाए जाते हैं. And one of the important feature is cephalization. That is the formation of the head. Head का मतलब है anterior part of the body which possesses the sensory structures, just like the eyes, just like the brain, just like the mouth. तो यहाँ पे head पाया जाता है. तो these Platyhelminthes are the first phyla, are the first animals which possesses the head. और head भी कहाँ पे पाया जाता है? Only in case of or mostly in case of free living forms. तो cephalization यहाँ पे feature है, that is the formation of the head, most importantly present in the free living forms. Now next one is the appendages. Appendages का मतलब है body projections. जिस तरह हमारी बॉडी में limbs होते हैं, एंटीनी होती है, टेंटेकल्स होते हैं, लाइकवाइज इनके बॉडी में भी कुछ प्रोजेक्शंस होते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं एपेंडेजेस. और यहाँ पे एपेंडेजेस में क्या है? स्पाइन्स, मींस नीडल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स. और जनरली ये है डिफेंसिव ऑर्गन्स, या इनमें हो सकते हैं हुक्स या सकर्स. तो ये तीन फीचर्स, स्पाइन्स, हुक्स, सकर्स, generally these occur in the parasitic forms. क्योंकि पैरासाइट ये एंडोपैरासाइट्स होते हैं, they live inside the body of the hosts. तो वहां पे इनको अटैच करना होता है with host body. उसके लिए ये डेवलप करते हैं कुछ स्पाइन नीडल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स, दे पर्स द बॉडी ऑफ द होस्ट, लाइकवाइज हुक्स जैसा कर्स। इन तीन चीजों से, इन तीनों अपेंडेज से ये अपने आप को अटैच करते हैं विद इन द होस्ट's बॉडी। अगर ये स्ट्रक्चर्स एब्सेंट होती है तो बिकॉज ऑफ द पेरिस्टोसिस दे मे बी एलिमिनेटेड फ्रॉम द होस्ट। So these spinous hooks and the suckers, they help us in the permanent attachment within the host's body. In addition to, there may be the cilia. Cilia are just like the eyelash-like structures, and these cilia is generally present in the Phylum forms for locomotion. Now, moving towards another point, that is the digestive system. Digestive system यहाँ पे incomplete. Complete क्योंकि here the digestive system consists of the mouth, pharynx, esophagus as well as the intestine. And here the mouth is it performs both the functions of the ingestion as well as the egestion. यहाँ पे NS absent है. That is why the digestive system is incomplete. Now moving towards another point, that is the respiratory system. A well-developed respiratory system is absent here. But settled respiration occurs through the general body surface. Means exchange of the gases occurs through general body surface. And this here the respiration may be both aerobic as well as anaerobic. Aerobic respiration occurs in case of the free-living forms, while as anaerobic respiration it occurs in case of the parasitic forms. Now, Shabas क्या? Circulatory system. Circulatory system यहाँ पे totally absent. Even though these are advanced than the poriferans and the cylindrical, but still these are primitive as compared to the higher vertebrates या invertebrates. So that is जहाँ पे कुछ primitive structure भी present होते हैं. So likewise the circulatory system is absent. Now in addition to that, यहाँ पे excretory system, a well-developed excretory system is absent, but still the excretion occurs with the help of the Phylum cells. With the help of the Phylum cells. ये Phylum cells क्या होते हैं? Just simply the cells. For example, inimus axial. इसके आसन generally cell. This one is a cytoplasm. This one is cytoplasm memory. इसका nucleus. This cell gives projections, cytoplasmic projections. They traps the excretory material, and excretory material is generally the ammonia. Means अगर यहाँ पे ammonia ज़्यादा होगा body में, तो that ammonia enters into these processes, into these cytoplasmic processes by a process that's called as diffusion. फिर वही ammonia वही यहाँ पे चला जाता है because of diffusion, and from the cytoplasm of this cell, the ammonia enters into the lumen of the cell. This is the lumen of the cell. अब यहाँ पे ammonia पहुँच गया waste material because of the diffusion. For example, यहाँ पे बहुत सारा ammonia. Now यहाँ पे the cytoplasm of this cell, it gives various cilia. यहाँ पे is a tuft of cilia, a bunch of the cilia. And this bunch of cilia beats. It beats just like a flame of a candle. Since the cilia, the tuft of the cilia, beats just like the flame of the candle, that is why these cells have been termed as flame cells. And by the beating of the tuft of the cilia pushes this ammonia downwards. And that excretory material, it enters into a canal or into a duct that's called as excretory duct. And through this duct, it comes out through a port that's called as excretory port, which is generally present at the lower side or at the posterior part of the body. And because of this, excretion occurs. Since excretion occurs with the help of the Phylum cells, so यहाँ पे Phylum cells are important so far excretion is concerned, and this is the most important point so far the NEET is concerned. So excretion is done by the Phylum cells, and the excretory material is ammonia. Now moving towards another point. So excretion it occurs with the help of the Phylum cells. So these are the Phylum cells present here and there in the body cavity of the animals. They traps the excretory material, which is generally the ammonia, and that excretory material it enters into this duct, long duct. शाबाश, उनको हम कहते हैं excretory ducts. तो यहाँ पे ये blind होते हैं, and towards the posterior end, the ducts they open outside through the pore that's called as excretory, and through this excretion occurs. Now moving towards another point, that is the sensory system. तो यहाँ पे sensory structures present होते हैं. तो generally यहाँ पे eye spots present होते हैं. Eye spots head पे होते हैं, especially in case of the free living forms, because they have to see the perceive the light or to see the food. तो यहाँ पे eye spots present होते हैं, and these are the food sensitivity in nature. In addition to यहाँ पे कुछ structures होते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं chemoreceptors. तो these receptors are detect the smell. Now likewise यहाँ पे कुछ tactile receptors होते हैं, which are generally to perceive the light. So these are some sensory structures. So that means sensory system is present here. Now moving towards the another point, a well-developed nervous system is present here. That means यहाँ पे brain भी present है, as well as the nervous या ganglia भी present होते हैं. तो a well-developed nervous system is present here. So now another feature is यहाँ पे reproduction. Reproduction is both asexual as well as sexual. और ये जो asexual reproduction है, it occurs generally because of the regeneration, especially in case of the free living forms. जो parasitic forms है वहाँ पे mostly sexual reproduction होती है, but in case of the शबाश क्या in case of free living forms sexual reproduction भी होती है, but in addition to asexual भी होती है, and that asexual reproduction occurs through the regeneration. और sexual reproduction भी होती है, और generally the animals are monoecious. That means ये hermaphrodites होते हैं. That means both the systems, reproductive systems are present in the same individual. Male as well as the female reproductive structures are present in the same individual. So now the development here, the development may be either the direct or the indirect. Direct का मतलब है that does not involve any larval form. But in case of the indirect development, there is the development of or the formation of the larval structures. For example, the various larvae which are found in case of the phylum Platyhelminthes are generally the Marasidium है, Sporocyst है, Radia है, Cercaria है, Metacercaria है, etc. So generally these are some characteristic larval forms of phylum Platyhelminthes. और phylum Platyhelminthes की जो examples है, well known examples है, उनमें है Taenia solia, as well as Fasciola hepatica. Taenia solium is a parasite in case of man. It lives in the intestine of the man, while as a Fasciola hepatica, उसको हम कहते हैं liver fluid भी, and it lives in the liver of sheep. So that means both are parasitics, endoparasites. While as the third one, Planaria, is the free living form of phylum Platyhelminthes. So with this we have completed the phylum Platyhelminthes. Inshallah, in next lecture we will discuss the phylum Nematoda. Till then, goodbye and God bless.